Nicaragua occupies over 120,000 kilometers of land, and close to 20% of the country's territory is home to wild fauna and flora. Covered by the peacefulness of its skies lies the country of lakes and volcanoes. Nicaragua is bordered by Honduras to the north and Costa Rica to the south. The Pacific Ocean lies to the west of the country, while the Caribbean Sea lies to the east. Falling within the tropics, Nicaragua sits 11 degrees north of the equator in the northern hemisphere. The country's name originates from Nicarau, the name of the Nahuatl-speaking tribe which inhabited the shores of Lago de Nicaragua before the Spanish conquest of the Americas, and the Spanish word agua, meaning water, due to the presence of the large lakes Cocibolco and Xolotlan.